It's green time. And for green time, I'm gonna ask you guys what an item is and what you do with it. What is this? This is a marker. And what do you do with a marker? That's right, you color with it, you write with it. What are these? Scissors. These are adult scissors. What do you do with them? You cut paper with them. And what is this? This is a paintbrush. And what do you do with a paintbrush? Yeah, you paint with it. I need Mr. Lion today for this part of green again. Can you guys call him? Mr. Lion. Call him again. Mr. Lion. Oh, there you are, Mr. Lion. Hi. Hi, Miss Indyca. Hi. Hi, friends. Hi. Hey, Mr. Lion. Thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to help? Yeah, I am ready. All right, friends. Yesterday, you guys listened to Mr. Lion, but he was forgetting the ending of the words. Today, you guys are going to do the same thing. You guys are going to listen with your ears, and you guys are going to tell me which ending sound Mr. Lion forgot. All right, are you ready, Mr. Lion? Yeah. All right, Mr. Lion, say rip. What sound did he forget? That's right, ip, rip. Mr. Lion, say jet. J. Did you guys hear what sound he forgot? Yeah, et. Mr. Lion, jet. Mr. Lion, say hip. Did you guys hear what he forgot? Ip. Mr. Lion, say set. S. What sound did he forget? Set, et. Mr. Lion, say lip. Ooh. What sound did he forget? That's right, he forgot the ip. Mr. Lion, say met. Did you guys hear what he forgot? Yeah, et. He forgot the et. Thank you, Mr. Lion. Can you guys tell Mr. Lion thank you? Bye, friends. Bye, Mr. Lion. Our finger play today is busy fingers again. Can you guys get your fingers up? This is the way my fingers stand, my fingers stand, my fingers stand. This is the way my fingers stand so early in the morning. This is the way they dance about, dance about, dance about. This is the way they dance about so early in the morning. This is the way I fold my hands, fold my hands, fold my hands. This is the way I fold my hands so early in the morning. This is the way they go to rest, go to rest, go to rest. This is the way they go to rest so early in the morning. Yesterday, we learned about the letter I. And what's special about the I is it's one of the vowels. How do we know which letters are vowels on our alphabet chart? That's right, because they are red. So far, we have learned the A, we have learned the E, and we have learned the I. Let's sing those songs. Give me an A, A, give me an A, A, give me an A, A. A. Letter E. Give me an E. Give me an E. Give me an E. Good. And the last one that we've learned is the letter I. Give me an I. Give me an I. What does that say? Yes. For the past few days, you guys have been reading your sight words and learning the pictures to our Pre-Decodable book. So you guys have this at home. Pull it out. And we're gonna read it together. What does this say? The cook. Good. Open the book. Take your pointer finger, put it under the first word. What word is that? The cook. Turn the page. Take your pointer finger and put it under the first word to read it together. The cook was in the kitchen. Turn the page. Put your pointer finger under the first word. He was cooking. Turn the page. We're on the last page. Put your finger under the first word. The cook. Turn your book to page 5. Do you see page 5? What was he doing in the kitchen? He's grabbing milk out of the refrigerator. Save this book because we're going to read it again tomorrow.